Namaste beloved friends. Today I am in Rishikesh sitting near the bank of the Holy Mother River Ganga. And today I am going to talk about why this place is so much powerful, so much full of the energy. There are so many yoga schools, so many meditation centers, so many great enlightened masters used to live here. So maybe after watching this video you will get connected to the Rishikesh more, and in the future you can come here, you can stay here, and you can feel this vibration, this subtle vibration in this place. So Rishikesh is made up of two words, the Rishi and the Kesh. Rishi name was the great enlightened master, the Rabhya Rishi. So this story of Rishi belong to in Puranas, in the ancient text, Hindu text, and the Kesh means hair. So the Rabhya Rishi, he was doing the intense practice of meditation, and out of this meditation he went into the deep state of trance, deep state of meditation, and he completely forget about his body, and his hair start growing in all the direction in this place. His hair start growing, and it was like thousands of years passed and his hair continuous growing. And then the Lord Vishnu came to him, and he was in his state of trance. Lord Vishnu came, and Lord Vishnu asked him like, "Oh my child, what do you want?" So because of the heaviness of the hair, he can't lift his head up and he can't see the face of Lord Vishnu. So he asked Lord Vishnu that, "I want to see your face. I can see only your feet. I want to see your face. Please show me your face." Then Lord Vishnu, he said, "I am very happy for your intense meditation practice, and I am taking you within myself. You don't need to see my face. You will become me. There will be no difference between you and me." So the Rabhya Rishi will dissolve in the Vishnu, in the super conscious state, and when he merged with the Vishnu, his energy spread all over this place, and out of this energy so many other people used to come here. So many other saints, all the other masters, they are start coming. They are kind of attracting to this place. Like this is a kind of magnet, and people are coming from all over the world, all over the places, and used to live here, used to do the deep meditation, intense practices. Still in the Himalayas, still in the upper Rishikesh, in the Badrinath, in the Kedarnath, there are many enlightened people are there still, and they are in the deep state of consciousness, in the deep state of meditation. They are still doing their intense sadhana. So this place is charged with that energy of the Rabhya Rishi, that energy of the Vishnu, that energy of the Holy Ganga. So this is so powerful place. If you just come here and you just sit by the side of the Mother Ganga, you will feel this energy, this vibration, this peacefulness, this calmness. So I request you, please come here, and not like a tourist, not like a visitor. This is your home. So come here, settle here at least for 3 months. You come here, you make you take a room here. You can get easily like affordable price around 10,000, 12,000. You can get a nice room, and you come here for 3 months at least. You come to here, you sit near the Ganga, and I am giving you promise, within these 3 months your life will transform. Many thousands of people come here and their life getting transformed. Just sitting here, just living in this place, in this strong vibration place, you will feel connected, you will feel more calm, you will feel more joyous, you will feel the inner happiness from this place. So come here, come to the Rishikesh and enjoy this strong place, the strong meditation place, strong sadhana place, where many thousands of people doing their tapas, their meditation, their sadhana. So just come here, stay here, and energize your entire body, mind, and connect to your souls. So this is my request. Please come here, visit this place, and take this beautiful holy river Ganga with you. Thank you.